We'll demonstrate the cloud filling stitch. First, use straight stitch at each point to create small line segments as anchor points. For easier threading later, points are divided into 3 rows. Middle points are drawn slightly longer, meaning middle stitches should be longer than top and bottom. To support threading from above and below, let's stitch the top row first, starting from the left. Like stitching a straight line, come up here. Take down below it. Be careful not to make it too short, or the thread won't pass through. It needs to be a line segment length. Following straight stitch method, complete the rest. After finishing the top line segments, let's stitch the middle segments. Also come up from above the line. Take down below it. Stitch 1 straight line. Make it longer than the top segments, about twice as long. Follow these steps to complete the rest. Bottom row is same as the first top row. Stitch small line segments. After anchor points are complete, begin threading. Come up through middle of right anchor point. Note, come up from inside, not from outside. After coming up, thread needle through middle segment below. Note, only thread through this lower segment, not through the fabric below. Only thread, not fabric. Then, thread through the upper anchor point. Thread through lower segments in sequence. When threading, be careful. Keep thread tension balanced. Don't pull too tight. Too tight creates a wrinkled effect. Following this method, thread through in sequence. You can also thread through 2 at once, or thread 1 by 1, both work. This is an easy stitch to work. Creates an effect like netting. Perfect for beginners. Final stitch takes down through segment middle. Bottom row uses same threading method. Cloud filling stitch creates a net-like pattern, perfect for stitching net patterns or decorative designs. A great choice for these. Final stitch takes down through segment middle. Let's see the overall finished effect.